Okay, let's dive into myCircle. It's a new ecosystem built to finally fix professional networking.
I mean, let's be real. We've all felt it. For years, the whole system has just felt broken.
Platforms like LinkedIn are just full of spam, bots, and fake profiles. It's a total mess.
So, what's the fix? myCircle. It's a whole new ecosystem built from scratch for verified pros.
And here's the absolute key. Trust isn't optional. On myCircle, verification is mandatory, no exceptions. Every single user has to scan their ID and do a 3D scan to prove they're a real person.
And the difference is just night and day. One system's based on maybe, the other is based on proof.
But it's not just about trust. The AI connects you with the right people for actual business.
You can also create these private networks called circles. Think focused groups for real community management.
And it's a whole toolkit, you know? It's got a conference app with survey tool, all built right in.
Now, let's talk Web3. This is where you get to actually own your professional identity online.
So you get a permanent, on-chain identity that you own and control. It's actually yours.
And to make all that Web3 stuff work seamlessly, there's a digital wallet built right into it.
And get this, it's already scaling. They're projecting 1.5 million verified users in the next year alone.
That kind of growth comes from some huge partnerships in blockchain, tech, government, you name it.
The whole vision is guided by an idea they call social fusion. It's all about serving the community.
And this idea will be powered by the My token, which is basically their social currency.
So what's next? The roadmap shows the full web app and all the conference tools are coming up fast.
So yeah, a network actually built on trust. It makes you wonder, what could you really accomplish?